I know, Jack. Yeah, Jack, I know it. But there's so many motherfuckers parked in it. Woo! 282, Mike Echo. Woo-hoo-hoo! They have a big penis. Oh my goodness. They almost didn't break in time. Delta Zulu Alpha 345, they almost clipped that curb. Two Space Echo November Julia Oscar Yankee. I'm getting slow on my NATO.
Oh yeah.
Which one was it? Which one was it? There's the one right in front of us, right? Yeah. To Enjoy was the one.
Yep.
Oh, that light's gonna change soon. Fuck. Yeah, they've got a big penis. Big penis. Gotta stop the cyclist with the big penis. And they gotta get up to this fucking stop traffic up here really quick. Oh shit, not gonna make that. Oh God. Hey, do you know how many times you just broke the law, fella? So many times.
What?
You passed in the bike lane, you passed us way too close.
You ain't in the bike.
You mean the bike lane that's half covered in snow and half covered in parked cars? We're allowed to use the whole damn road and you just have to wait back there and wait. What's that? You're getting what? Oh yeah, of course. Now that there is one. That guy was eating a delicious looking item of food. Even though I'm quite full from our amazing McDonald's meal, I was jealous of his food.